Hi everyone. Today we will listen to common English conversations. Conversation at a restaurant. Good evening. Welcome. My name is Alex and I'll be your server tonight. How are you both doing? Hi Alex. We're doing well. Thank you. That's great to hear. Have you dined with us before or is this your first time? It's our first time. We've heard good things about the food here. Wonderful. We're glad you chose to join us. Our menu has many options. Are you ready to order or would you like a few moments to decide? We'll need a couple of minutes, please. Can we start with some water for the table? Of course. I'll bring that right away. When you're ready to order, just let me know. Here are your waters. Take your time with the menu and I'll be back shortly. We're ready to order. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. And I'll go with the chicken Alfredo pasta. Excellent choices. Would you like any appetizers to start? Or are you ready for the main course? No appetizers for us, just the main courses. Perfect. I'll get that started for you. Anything else I can assist you with right now? Could we also get a side of garlic bread to share? Certainly. Garlic bread it is. Your order will be up shortly. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Enjoy your meal, and if you have any questions or need assistance later, I'll be around. I hope you enjoyed your main courses. Are you interested in dessert this evening? Absolutely. What do you recommend? Our most popular dessert is a chocolate lava cake, but we also have a delicious cheesecake and a seasonal fruit tart. Any preferences? The chocolate lava cake sounds tempting. We'll go with that. Excellent choice. Would you like one chocolate lava cake to share or one for each of you? Just one to share, please. Got it. One chocolate lava cake to share. Would you like any coffee, tea, or perhaps dessert wine with that? Coffee for both of us, please. Great. One shared chocolate lava cake and 2 coffees coming right up. I'll have it out to you shortly. Here's your chocolate lava cake to share along with your coffees. Enjoy, and if there's anything else you need, feel free to ask. Thank you so much. Is there anything else you would like today? No, thank you for everything. It was a pleasure serving you. I will bring up your bill. Thank you so much for dining with us. I wish you a wonderful evening and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Everything was delicious. See you soon. Conversation at a doctor's office. Good morning. I'm Dr. Smith. How are you feeling today? Good morning, Dr. Smith. I've been feeling a bit under the weather lately, fatigued and with a persistent headache. I'm sorry to hear that. Let's start by discussing your symptoms in more detail. When did you first notice these symptoms? I started feeling fatigued about a week ago, and the headaches have been constant for the past few days. I see. Any other symptoms such as nausea, fever, or changes in appetite? No nausea, but I did have a mild fever a couple of days ago. My appetite has been a bit off as well. Thank you for sharing that. I'd like to check your vitals and conduct a physical examination. Is that okay with you? Yes, that's fine. Based on what you've described and the initial examination, I'd like to run a few tests to help us pinpoint the cause. It could be a viral infection or something else. Are you comfortable with that? Yes, please go ahead. I just want to feel better. Understandable. I'll order some blood tests. In the meantime, make sure to stay hydrated and get plenty of rest. We'll follow up with the results and discuss the next steps. Thank you, Dr. Smith. I appreciate your help. You're welcome. If you have any concerns before our next appointment or if your symptoms worsen, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care and we'll be in touch soon. Thank you, Dr. Smith. I will. Conversation with someone you just met. Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Sarah. Hi, Sarah. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Likewise, Alex. So what brings you around here? Just exploring the neighborhood and stumbled upon this cozy cafe. How about you? Oh, I'm a regular here. I find it's the best spot to relax with a good book. Speaking of which, what kind of books do you enjoy? Mystery novels are fantastic. Very cool. So do you have any other favorite pastimes? I'm a bit of a movie buff. I enjoy exploring different genres. Any favorite movies on your list? Nice. I'm a fan of indie films. They often have unique storytelling. Have you watched any recently that you'd recommend? I recently saw this thought-provoking documentary. It was eye-opening. What about you? Any documentaries you've enjoyed? I recently watched one about space exploration. Fascinating stuff. Anyway, it was great chatting with you, Alex. If you ever need a book or movie recommendation, feel free to ask. Thanks, Sarah. I might take you up on that. Enjoy your time at the cafe, and maybe our paths will cross again. Absolutely, Alex. Take care and see you around. Thanks for watching. To take your English to the next level, watch this video right here.